Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little bit to find the wallpaper and style. Let's enter, and as you can see this whole section is connected to the wallpaper. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so we can check if for some reason we forgot what kind of wallpaper we've got set, we can check it here. And here we've got the option to change the wallpaper, but before I'll show you how to actually do it, I'd like to focus on the wallpaper colors. Just a quick disclaimer, as you can see here we've got some options to choose from, and those colors are simply copied from the wallpaper, and after picking particular options they will simply change, let's say maybe not the theme but some components of it, and for example the lock screen, the color which will be displayed on the clock and so on. So I really think it is a cool option, and I highly recommend to have fun with this section after changing the wallpaper. So let me actually focus on changing it. So let's tap on change wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the our own gallery obviously, which will contain our photos. Here we've got the albums in which we've got the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device, and under it we've got a lot of albums from, again, we've got a lot of wallpapers, but be aware that you will be able to see them only if you will have the internet connection. So of course it can be the Wi-Fi, it can be mobile data, it doesn't really matter, just remember about that. But I personally would like to pick something from the defaultly installed wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. And if you would like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will appear right here. You can check the home screen and the lock screen also, so that's quite a cool option. Here you've got the info icon, so of course after tapping on it you can check by whom it was taken, and so on and so on. Here you've got also this strange icon with the arrows, and it will actually show us a better preview. So after tapping on it, it will be just displayed on the full screen. You can hide the preview, and this is how it will look like without the icons, here with the icons. So if you are happy with your choice, if you decide that you want to set this wallpaper as the wallpaper, simply tap on set wallpaper obviously. And as you can see here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can set the wallpaper on the home screen, lock screen, and both of them, and I will pick this option because why not. And as you can see we've got the information that the wallpaper has been set successfully, and as you can see we automatically got back to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also. And as you can see, it is also visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Google Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.